Hi all, welcome to this session on why chemical students should prepare for GATE and PSU jobs. My name is Ashwin P. Chandran. I'm Director of CGP Career Avenues. I'm teaching students for almost 19 years. I've been working as placement officer in reputed engineering colleges and also a GATE faculty. I have been into Indian Book of Records for career counseling. So I hope this session will be useful to students who are really looking to have a dream job in chemical. So first, let me give a brief view on PSUs that are recruiting students through GATE in chemical. So we have ONGC, IOCL, Bharat Petroleum, GAIL, HPCL, NTPC, SAIL, DRDO, and BARC recruiting students through GATE. And there are many more PSUs. I've just mentioned them, highlighted the main ones. Okay. ISR also recruit students. Okay, they conduct their own exam, and also state PSCs are also recruiting students, and all the syllabus are almost the same. So if you prepare well for GATE, you can crack almost all exams in chemical conducted by government and other public sector bodies. And why GATE? Students can get into PSUs, and also you can have high studies opportunities. You can do MTech in all major IITs, NITs, IAC. So while doing MTech, you are paid monthly stipend also. So the biggest advantage is you can study and earn stipend. And in second year, you may be doing some project and you may also get some grant for that. Okay. You can also do integrated PhD, direct PhDs in IITs, and there's an excellent opportunity called fellowship. This fellowship is offered in IIMs, which is equivalent to PhD program. So it takes minimum 4 years, but you're getting like 3 lakh rupees per year as stipend, and all your expenses are taken care by IIM through various grants and schemes. Okay, and you are getting something equivalent to doctorate after doing PhD. It's like a doctorate program. Okay, and also there is opportunity in JRF. You have to write JRF net examination for that, and after some years you'll be promoted to SRF. Okay. Now for getting into these PSUs, you have to study these subjects. If you take GATE examination, there are 65 questions. It is of 100 marks, 3-hour duration exam. 15 marks is generally from maths, 15 marks is from aptitude. Then questions come from the following subjects like process calculations and thermodynamics, fluid mechanics and mechanical operations, heat transfer, mass transfer, chemical reaction engineering, IPC, plant design and atomics, and chemical technology. Okay. So if you study these subjects thoroughly, you can get a government job in chemical. So it is not that difficult, but it's not as easy as also. Okay. So you have to dedicate and plan properly. Now, we all know that our students are really talented. There are there's no shortage of talent, but many students don't clear in the first attempt or second attempt or miss this opportunity. Why? Because they don't take this exam or preparations seriously. One factor is lack of motivation. When students start to prepare, then they themselves go back, think that, oh, it's academic part, they may have to compromise and all, and it may affect their percentage. But it's not the case. These preparations ideally should start from S3. Okay. But it's never the late. You can start even after you pass out also. But if you start early, if you start from S3, you study the core subjects in S3. So that helps in academics also. Same when you reach S4, S5, 6. So you can start at any point of time. The best time is S3. And you should there's no point other than going for MTech if you start beyond 32 years and all, because majority of the PSUs don't recruit after that age. But of course, you can go for MTech if you're above 32, 35. Okay. So you should have a real motivation part. You should have goal. Proper planning is required. Faculty members, alumni, and all are there in the system to mentor you. But students don't take up that mentorship seriously. So many students used to approach me for helping them to crack these exams. So what I do is I help them to create a study plan, a dedicated plan, which help understanding the needs. Some may need a government job. Some people want to go for teaching. For them, the best thing would be to go for MTech. So we can plan based on that. And also how many hours you have to dedicate per month. It depends on how much time you can allot per month. So there are so many basic things that we should take it seriously. And the main problem is students take GATE exam seriously very late. Okay, if the GATE exam is February, they start thinking about this exam in January, which is too late. You should provide some decent time to prepare so that you can come up in flying colors. Okay. So for all engineering branches, GATE is one of the best option, especially for non-circuit branches. You all know that there are many companies in India in chemical into government sector, but most of the recruitments happening in campuses are in IT companies. Okay, a majority of the chemical students don't want to work in IT companies. Okay, so if that is the case with you, I believe you should take preparing for these exams seriously. How CGP career revenues is different. CGP stands for Center for Gate and Placement. We have a dedicated plan for GATE and other technical exams. Okay. And undoubtedly, the best faculty members in India will be teaching you. You can see the quality of the classes before you join. Okay. You get complete materials, topic-wise tests, sessional test, and all India mock test. You also have option to choose printed books. And for the first time in India, to effective run the online classes, we have a one-to-one doubt clearance system. Suppose a student has a doubt on a topic, they can book a call with the faculty. Faculty will come online at a mutually convenient timing to clear the doubts of the students and work out the questions. Okay. Then we have one-to-one mentoring system to keep that tempo. Okay. And we have a dynamic planning system. For example, a student may be well focused to start with. After 2 to 3 months, he or she may lose the interest. So we have to retain the interest among the students. And unfortunately, if the student is not having time, we have to change the plan. Maybe he or she may not be getting into PSU in that attempt. At least he or she should get into NIT in that attempt. Like that, we should have a dynamic plan. And we are making the classes at a very affordable pricing. Okay. Generally, there's a saying that quality always come up with the pricing. Okay. But here in our case, we have made it affordable so that a student from a financially deserving background can also prepare with us. They have separate plan for second year, third year, fourth year, pass outs, working professionals. For second year, you may have to dedicate like 10 hours per month. We'll be teaching the subjects that they have to study in the university in that semester. Forget. For example, there's a subject topic called A, which they have to study in S3. We'll teach that topic A in S3, like that in S4, S5, S6, and so this helps them to score more marks in their academics also. And we have a separate plan for pass outs and working professionals. We provide some psychological counseling so that they are away from stress and tension. And in why CGP career reviews? There are many organizations, there are many online platforms also where good contents are available, but very few mentoring system is available. As I believe there's no such system where students can have one-to-one live class with the faculty to clear the doubts and clear the doubts and work out questions. That is available with us. We also help the students to choose second paper where students don't take it seriously. Then interview training and post-gate guidance. Okay. So once the student clear the test, some PSUs conduct interview, we train them for that. Okay. And I've told you that the best time to start is S3, but you are never late. If you're under 35 or 32, we'll be happy to support you, mold you, and create a plan for you. Okay. So plan varies from student to student based on the time he or she can dedicate every week, every month, like that it goes. And for college going students, they have also incorporated placement training also so that they can ace their dream job also while studying. Okay. This will give them psychologically an edge and more confidence for preparations. And if you're a pass out student, don't worry. There's a system to help you. Okay. So that you can attend almost all technical exams and clear them without much difficulty. But there is nothing substitute to hard work. Joining CGP career revenues will be meaningful only if you are ready to put some honest effort. We can help you, guide you, mold you, but effort should come from you. Thank you. You can, for any doubts, you can WhatsApp to the number given below and you can check the link. Okay, all the best. Have an excellent career. Thank you.